What up, guys? El Patronn in Brooklyn, Mitsubishi. We got my main man here, Mr. No Blake, in the house.
I'm in the house.
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Did you find parking?
We did not find parking. Hope our car's still
There's
there
no
before
parking
we leave.
in Brooklyn, guys. Guys, Blake is one of our presidents for Next Sale App out of Atlanta, and he'll be joining the conference with us as well. So he flew in today, and we got a meeting set up today. So I'm excited you're here, man.
Yeah.
And what are we gonna talk about today?
Well, I just want to, I just was showing my friend that was with me as well the lineup that we have for this conference.
Yes.
I mean, this is just an all-star lineup.
Yes,
put
it is.
Together. And guys, if you're really looking to move the numbers, and you're just and not just talk about move the numbers, you need to get to this conference.
Like really move the numbers.
And you want, if you want to see what other stores are doing, pick their brains, get some great content.
Yes,
you need to be at this conference.
Yes. So, guys, December 3rd is where it's happening. Okay, my boy Blake's gonna be there. He's one of our presidents of our Next Sale App. So, shout out to Jason as well.
Shout out to Jason.
Yes.
And Ashley.
Absolutely. So, we're gonna make this happen. We're excited. All right. So, click the link below. Shout me out. Call him if you want.
And for the money, it's a no-brainer.
Basically, yeah. So we're not doing it for the money. We're doing it because we want to share everything, right? All the knowledge.
And make everybody better.
Yes, that's right. 2019, guys. 10x. Let's do this.
Let's do this. 10x.
All right.
Peace out.